In this video, I will walk you through these steps to fix Viber activation error on your device. If you're having trouble activating or creating a Viber account, there are several possible reasons, and I'll guide you through different methods to resolve the issue. The first step is to check whether you entered the correct phone number. Go ahead and launch open the Viber app. Now, the first thing you want to do is select your country. Make sure you select the correct one. The country code will be automatically applied. All you want to do is enter the correct phone number. After that, tap on the continue option. If the number you provided is invalid or not in service, you won't receive the verification code needed to activate your account. So double check your number. If everything is correct, then you want to tap resend code to try again. Next, make sure your Viber app is updated. To check, you want to launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Viber. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If you find open instead of update, it means you have already updated your application. Once the update has been completed, open Viber and try activating your account again. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, try clearing Viber's cache and data. For that, long press on the Viber app, then tap on this I button. This will take you to settings. Here select storage, tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and tap on the delete option. After that, launch open Viber and try activating your account again. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling Viber completely. These steps should help you resolve the most activation errors. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.